Ever think DIY nails are too complicated? Spending an hour or two only to feel frustrated with the results? But trust me, we've all been there. It's no secret that before getting it right, you've got to invest some time and money. Recently, I keep getting asked, why isn't the liquid smooth and self-leveling? Well, here's the thing, self-leveling is amazing, but it needs a little help from you. It's not magic, but it's been shared many times, applying the liquid thin and even is key. That's how the magic happens. Honestly, no DIY kit, whether it's nails, hair, or skin, is perfect right out of the box. It takes a bit of tweaking to make everything neat, smooth, and flawless. So don't expect perfection, just a little finesse, and you're good to go.